Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Shopify owner access and a custom domain, not the Shopify. Com subdomain. Next, sign into your Google account and open Search Console. Choose the domain property for complete coverage because that includes subdomains and protocols. Once done, copy the provided DNS-TXT verification record. Now head into your domain registrar or Shopify's domains area to add that TXT record. This step proves ownership and prevents partial indexing issues later, so don't skip it. Once your TXT record is added, return to Search Console and click Verify. DNS can propagate, so allow up to 48 hours, but often it's faster. After verification, submit your Shopify sitemap, typically /sitemap, XML or /sitemap index. XML to help Google find products and collections. Then enable performance reporting and inspect key pages. Make sure mobile usability is green because most traffic is mobile. Also set your preferred domain and monitor coverage reports to catch indexation or canonicalization issues early. To complete setup, run URL inspection on important pages and request indexing after major updates so Google recrawls them faster. Make it a habit to monitor coverage, performance, and enhancements reports for errors, structured data issues, or drops in clicks. If something breaks, re-verify your TXT record first, then check robots. TXT and sitemap accessibility. Sometimes a theme app blocks crawling. If problems persist, use the live test in URL inspection to see how Googlebot renders the page and fix assets that are blocked.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.